Good evening, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 6:49 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on January 7, 2022. This isn't financial advice. This is educational. Click the subscribe, share the video, click the thumbs up because we want GRT to be thumbed up. Thumb it up. Thumb it up for your friends. Thumb it up for your family. I think this is a great entry point right around here. This is a sweet spot in my view. The graph US dollar is trading around 59 cents on the lower end of the channel. Upper end of the channel is around 77. We do have still, we fell back. We've never really burst out of here. We've always been kind of touching the top. Have hit the support line quite a bit harder. So, I'm expecting a bounce off of the 59 level here. It might drop to 58 and wick out here and there. Not worried about it at all. I think it's a good point to add here. I probably will wind up adding after this video is done. In the meantime, the graph relative to Bitcoin or the inner strength is on its channel up. As you can see here, since the beginning or the second week of December, we start to see a channel. Multiple hit points on the top, multiple hit points on the bottom. We're kind of on the bottom of the channel. And again, this is generally where you buy this stuff. You buy it there. And if you're like a swing trader, you wait for it to hit the top, you sell it there. It's a game a lot of people play. I don't do that. I'm more of a long-term investor, but I think that even as a long-term investor, you do want to get in when it's technically at a sound place. I think that this is a good entry point right around here when the inner strength of the graph is 1429. We do have support right now, 1414, and resistance around 1600. Now we're going to go over to Bitcoin US dollar because also here, starting to look like we're finally catching possibly support at 40,400. There is another level of support below that. If we go down that far, if we come past 40,400, I have a feeling 37,400 is the next stop, but we do have some price action to work out. We don't really know if we're just going to continue to consolidate and go down. We got to see this thing play out over the next few days. I think by next week, we're going to start to see more investors coming in. I think this wash sale thing, which really is more impactful to securities and as well to securities that are Bitcoin loaded, such as GBTC and others, right? Those are kind of bound to the wash sale. So you got to worry about that for between now and next week. There's still some people probably on the sidelines waiting to get back in. So that will likely happen, in my view, in the second week of January. So probably into mid to late next week, I think we start to see some bidding going on Bitcoin. But right now, make no mistake about it, 40,400 is support, 44,000 is resistance. Now, Bitcoin dominance again starting to come up here slightly to the right. Doesn't really look like much going on here. I mean, if you look at, from December 26th to now, it's exactly where it was. So really, Bitcoin really took a pullback, and yet the Bitcoin dominance pair has been fairly consistent, which kind of tells me that there's a lot of confidence still in the altcoin market because as a proportion, generally, altcoin in the past has been the first ones to fly out of the system. This time around, altcoin folks seem to be holding on. So anyway, that's kind of where we're at right now. And the graph relative to the dollar, we are around 59 and a quarter. Talk soon.